it's Caroline from SewCanShe, and I'm so excited to share with you something that just came in the mail today. This is my craft subscription box from Bluprint. So I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to open it and show you everything inside. It is now January 2020. So this is the subscription box for Bluprint, the craft subscription box, and the craft that I picked is quilting, of course. So let's see what's inside. Yes, I'm using my rotary cutter to open it. I'll be really careful not to cut the fabric inside. There we go. I was just too excited to try and find my paper scissors. All right. It is all packaged very well. Let's see here. Keep your creativity going. Ooh, take 50% off one Bluprint exclusive item. Ooh, some beautiful thread. I love that color. Wheat, 100% cotton thread for sewing my quilt. All right, here's a picture of the quilt. So pretty. Partially eclipsed wall hanging. Wow, look, it even already has the tabs to sew on. Beautiful. Let's see here. Partial eclipsed wall hanging pattern by Natalie Crabtree. Let's see what this is gonna look like. That's a beautiful quilt. It looks very easy to quilt with that crosshatch design, if that's what I decide to do. Okay, we have the batting for the project, of course. Some mid-weight fusible interfacing. Okay. Some beautiful boundless fabrics. This color is warm white, fabric made in Japan. Ooh, some beautiful navy blue fabric, also made in Japan. Ooh, champagne color. And finally, coral color. So all beautiful solids because this is a modern quilt. And the fusible interfacing. I'm guessing that this circle here is an applique piece, and that is why we have the fusible interfacing. It'll have something to do with that. But it's such a gorgeous modern design. I think it will look awesome in my home. I actually want to hang that in my front room. Let's see here. Watch and learn. Ooh, there's videos about how to do it. Yes, gotta love that. I'm so excited to put together my new quilt from Bluprint. I'm sure that the videos are going to make it just a breeze to put together, and it's going to be hanging in my front room very soon. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing video of the Bluprint Craft subscription box, the Quilters edition. Please subscribe to my channel so I can show you more of the quilty inspiration that I have in store, and have a great day.